Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Yearn token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Yearn YFI is a pioneering decentralized finance DeFi protocol that automates yield farming, allowing users to passively earn optimal returns by depositing assets into its automated yield aggregator. It automatically moves users' funds across DeFi, lending, and liquidity protocols to find the best yields. Its YFI token grants voting rights over protocol decision and has a famously low capped supply. Security focused curation. The protocol emphasizes risk managed strategies and help develop to ERC 4626 volt standard. Yearn project institution rating is 3.5. Yearn token total supply is 36.64 thousand and circulating supply is 35.81 thousand. YFI token is listed on Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 90% chances that it is a visit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.